Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Happy Valentine's Day. Today's video is going to be all around the Valentine's Day theme. As you can see here, I just picked up a new Oprah magazine. It's the only magazine that I have regularly subscribed to, but then my subscription ended a little while ago, so I just stopped by my local Dwayne Reed and picked up this issue just because I feel like there's always some interesting articles to read, and I'm not into those magazines that are full, like there are ads in here, but some magazines are just chock full of ads and it's all just images of fashion and consumerism, and the last thing I need is more temptation to shop. So I picked this up, and I like the fact that it was, Valentine's Day themed. It's all about love, and then midlife crisis. Anyone? I don't know why that spoke to me. I'm 40 years old, so maybe it's slightly early to be feeling this way, but for those of you who might have been wondering why I haven't filmed in a little while, it's just been a couple of weeks, but I did take what felt like a break for me because I was feeling overwhelmed. I was feeling overwhelmed by work, just mom duties, just life in general, probably by a lot of the things that I voluntarily signed up for. So I can't really blame anyone except myself. I think just being a type A New Yorker, I'm just constantly on the go. And whenever there's an opportunity to contribute or feel more productive, I just sign up for so many things. And I was really feeling just worn out and exhausted, and then I got sick for a little while. I'm fine now, but it all just kind of added up, and I started to feel like YouTube was, I started YouTube, as you guys know, for those of you who followed me from the beginning, late last year. I started it as an outlet for some fun and to really de-stress and to unwind. And when I started thinking about filming a video recently, I felt like it was a chore and I didn't want to do it, and I was kind of cringing. So I thought, let me not put out that energy to you guys. Let me do this when I'm feeling light and carefree and more relaxed and just more balanced overall as a human being. So I feel good today. I feel much better. It probably helps that the sun is shining, so my winter blues are kind of melting away a little bit. I feel like winter blues really does impact me a lot. And then also just seeing all the Valentine's Day stuff and all the love decorations and the themes and, kind of the vibe in the air is helping. So I did promise to you guys in my last video that I would do a Valentine's Day giveaway, and I didn't want to miss that opportunity. I love doing giveaways, and I really wanted to make this one special because I feel like Valentine's Day, yes, it's a commercialized holiday, and it's really about love and relationships and all of that, but I actually think that it should really be more about self-love and self-care because, you have to give to yourself first to a certain extent before you can give to others. And that's the same whether you have a spouse, a partner, whether you're a mother, you have any kind of like responsibilities to other family members. I feel like when you're feeling drained and just tired and overwhelmed like I was the last couple of weeks, there's not so much you can give of yourself, right? Because you're kind of running on empty. So I want this video to be about Valentine's Day, but really centered around you, your self-care, your well-being, your balance, just, hopefully you're in a state of harmony. There's never a day where I feel like perfectly good because I don't think there is a perfect day. I think that doesn't exist. But if you shift your perspective to just being content and find joy in the little things and taking time throughout the day to just be really present and enjoy the small moments, I think that's what really counts. So I just wanted to share that because I'm kind of feeling like, I don't know, I kind of got over this hump, and I'm still kind of getting over the hump, and I'm feeling better now, but I just wanted to share with you some of the emotions that I've been going through and, just why I felt okay to film this today. So without much further ado, as you can see, there's a little Chanel box sitting in front of us here, and I'll move this magazine aside. This is just my Chanel receipt, but I wanted to share the whole package with you guys. It's my first time ordering anything from the Chanel website, so this came direct from the website to my home, and it came in this it came with this black envelope, which is holding my receipt, and then this pretty black and white Chanel box, the classic look. And then let's see here, I'm going to open it up with you guys. Okay, so this little pouch, contains the samples that I ordered or that I selected. These are the free samples at checkout. There were probably about 6 or so samples that I can choose from, and I chose these two because I wanted to try out the foundation here. This is the Velvet Matte Finish, and it comes in 3 different colors. For those of you who've watched my other videos, you know, because I've said, I'm not really a makeup person. I keep it pretty light and simple. I just don't know how to apply makeup the way some pros really know how to make their faces look so good. But I thought I'd experiment with this. And then this is the Gabrielle perfume that I have never tried, so I thought I would check it out. So those are the 2 free samples. These are not the giveaway items. The giveaway items are actual purchases that I paid for. So here is the lovely tissue paper with, this looks like a wax seal. It's so pretty, but it's actually just a black sticker with the CC. So I don't know about you guys, but I try not to tear anything when I'm unboxing or just opening, especially when it looks so pretty like this. So I'm going to try to slip my hand in here. And yep, I think I could just pull it out. There are 2 items in here, so I'll start with the first one that I can reach. Okay, so this one here is a very popular item. I'm sure many of you already have it or have seen it. This is the hand cream, and it's in the newer formula, so it's the extra rich texture. So I imagine it's probably thicker and just more nourishing. So it says Nourish, Protect, Brighten, and I really love the packaging of this hand cream. So as you can see, it looks like a little egg, and it's super smooth, and it just feels nice to the touch. If you're a tactile person like me and you feel everything and you smell everything, then you may enjoy something like this. Now, this lotion is not cheap by any means. It retails for $50, but hopefully it lasts a long time. I don't know, I've never used it. You open it up like so, and it has the curved top. It kind of reminds me of the deodorant tops, and then I imagine if you squeeze it or turn it upside down, it'll just come right out of that little opening there, which I won't do because I want to keep this in nice pristine new condition, because this is one of the giveaway items. And I'm saying one of because I ordered 2 items and I just couldn't decide which one to make the giveaway, so I'm gonna let you guys decide. I guess you have first dibs, and then I'll figure out what to do with the other item that remains. So if you are interested in entering the giveaway, all I ask is that you subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and also follow me on Instagram. It's the same name as my channel, at Hello Catwalk City. I will put it in the description box down below. So if you're already subscribed to my channel and following me on Instagram, all you need to do is leave a comment down below. Please let me know when you leave a comment which item you would like, whether you would like the hand cream or this other item here. And then of course, please make sure to leave your Instagram account name in your comments so that I have a way of contacting you, so I can get your mailing address and get the item out to you if you turn out to be the lucky winner. So this one is the double-sided mirror. If you watch Chase Amy's YouTube channel, she's based in the UK. She's lovely. She has a very classic collection, lots of Chanel. She does really nice videos, super well edited, very professional, like on a whole different level than myself. I think she I don't know if it's her full-time job. I don't think it is. But anyway, she's got a ton of subscribers and she does really good content. So she puts a lot of great content out there. But anyway, I saw a few months ago when she did her Christmas video, she received this beautiful mirror from her mother-in-law as a Christmas present. And it comes with this really nice velvety pouch. It's really soft to the touch. And then it opens up. There's really nothing here. It's just kind of a fold. And then you have the regular mirror, and then you have a magnifying side. So you have 2 double-sided here. And it's just really simple, really classic. And of course it screams Chanel because it has the CC logo. And I just thought it was really pretty. I have a compact blush that looks almost identical to this, and I got it as a gift probably about, I don't know, maybe 10 years ago or so. And it has not run out. I wear the blush almost every day, probably 5 days a week at least. and I don't know, it's like a never-ending blush anyway, but it's the same packaging. And I've never had any issue with opening and closing, no scuffing on the mirror. I don't know what they do, but Chanel really does a nice job with their small accessories like this. So I think it just speaks to the care and the quality that goes into really even the little things that they make. So I'll put this back in the package the way it was. And this one retails for, I believe it was $42 or $48. I can't remember because it's been a few weeks since I ordered it. But it runs in the same ballpark as the hand cream. So it's really a matter of which one you prefer or which one you might need. If you're in need of a mirror, a small compact mirror like this, or if you are in a dry season, just like myself here in New York. It's winter, it's dry. I use hand cream every day. I use the L'Occitane cream, which is also a French brand. I love their scents and I love the rich texture. It's not oily, it's not slimy or anything. It's not gooey in any way. It just kind of absorbs very nicely into my hands. So I use that, and I would say the L'Occitane lotions are really high quality, but much more affordable. You could probably get a pack of 3 for half the price of this one. But again, I don't know how long this will last. Maybe because it says it's a very rich texture, you may only need a tiny bit each time if it's very thick and moisturizing, and then you can spread it around. But yeah, I would love for you guys to enter the giveaway if you're interested in either item. And like I said, just please be subscribed to my channel and follow me on Instagram. And then when you leave a comment down below, leave your Instagram account name so that I can contact you. And please be clear about which item you prefer. So you can say mirror or you can say hand cream. And this way, if you are chosen as the lucky winner, I know which one to ship out to you. And then, like I said, I'll figure out what to do with the other item. Maybe it'll be a little treat for myself for Valentine's Day. I don't know, but yeah, thank you so much for your support, guys, for watching this video. Please give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. And I do appreciate those of you who reached out to me on Instagram via DM over the last couple of weeks, just asking me how I'm doing, because I'm sure you noticed that I wasn't putting out videos as often. And I had explained that I was just taking a little break, and I really did appreciate those small gestures of those of you who did reach out just to check on me, because it reminded me of why I do YouTube and why I continue to enjoy doing it. It really is a fun way to connect with you guys, and I feel like there is a sense of community here and friendship, and I'm glad that I'm back. So happy Valentine's Day to you guys, and if you haven't subscribed already, please do so, and good luck to whoever the winner will be. Thanks, guys. Bye-bye.